Welcome to this overview of the Smart Grid Hedge EA, designed and built using the no-code platform FXdreema. This expert advisor applies a hedging grid trading strategy, which means it can place both buy and sell positions simultaneously in a structured grid. The purpose of this approach is to balance exposure between directions, reduce risk during unpredictable price moves, and capture profits from market fluctuations. The Smart Grid Hedge EA operates by monitoring active positions and opening additional trades at predefined grid distances. It uses conditions to check trade counts and profit levels, and it can cut losses if certain thresholds are met. This combination of hedging and grid logic is aimed at making the system more adaptable to different market environments, whether ranging or volatile. Inside FXdreema, the workflow is created visually with blocks that manage trade entry, grid expansion, profit taking, and cut-loss logic. This makes it easier to understand how the system works and provides flexibility for traders who want to adjust or optimize the strategy. It's very important to highlight that while hedging and grid methods can generate profits, they also involve significant risk if not managed properly. Before using this EA on a live account, you should thoroughly backtest it with 99.9% tick data, study the strategy in detail, and forward test in a demo environment. This presentation is part of the playlist Build a Forex EA Robot, No Code FXdreema, on the channel Mqlrobot EAS. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gives you a clear understanding of how the Smart Grid Hedge EA is structured.